Imagine building website in your first year for real clients with mentorship from industry experts. This is Tech Gear 2024 and this is our journey.
Hi everyone, my name is Kuba. I am a part of this year's Tech Gear program. Well, Tech Gear is a program that connects students with Canadian companies to provide them hands-on experience in app and website development. This year, we got an amazing opportunity to work with the UFE alumni at the Unify, and it's been an incredible journey.
Hi, I'm Nishan, and during our time at Unified, we dove deep into Elementor, WordPress, project management, UI UX design. It wasn't just about coding, it was more about dealing with real clients and building their website. During our experience at the Unified, we learned so much about the tech world and how to bring ideas to life.
Hi, this is Amanu. One of the best parts of this program was working in a professional setting. We didn't just focus on the technical aspect but also got to learn about project management and dealing with the clients. We got to know about the bigger picture of what it takes to build a successful website. Trust me, it was an eye-opener.
Hi, I'm Divnu. This 4-month internship at the Unified was intense, but it prepared me for real-life experiences. We walked away with not just new skills, but deeper understanding of the tech industry. Tech Gear has really prepared me for my future work.